Up to the back.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Just a little bit down so I can see your eyes.
Sure.
That's okay. How are you?
Good.
Ma'am, you've now picked up another case. You're charged with terroristic threat. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
Judge, if I could just confirm the name.
Agbasiel.
On April 1st, 2025, a law enforcement officer was dispatched to a residence in Harris County, Texas regarding a disturbance. Law enforcement officer made contact with the second complainant witness who stated that he was inside the apartment when he heard the first complainant witness outside getting yelled at by the defendant. The second complainant witness went outside to see what was going on, and the defendant yelled at him to stop putting things in the pothole in the parking lot. The second complainant witness told the defendant he was fixing the hole. And both the complainant witnesses pointing at them with their fingers, making a pistol shape with their fingers, saying, "I'm going to shoot you."
Wait, you said there were two complaint witnesses.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That's what I have here. It says, "I'm going to shoot you," towards both complaining witnesses.
And we have Ms. Agbasiel making the alleged threats.
Correct, Your Honor.
Your Honor, there's only charges one.
There's only, yeah, there's
Right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, who is the complaint witness?
Video control.
Is it a known person? Because we have priors with Ms. Agbasiel, and there are assaultive and, pretty dangerous priors. Any of the same complaining witnesses?
Does not appear so, Your Honor. Looking through, no, Your Honor. It seems like it's just, from what we can see, it's.
Was it a street worker? Was it someone working for the city, or
It's someone that lives there, Your Honor.
just out there fixing the potholes?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Ms. Agbasiel, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. We can give you time. So what I'll have you do now is I'll have you sign a receipt of victory while you take a seat, while we draft the bond conditions, let you sign it, and after that, you'll be free to go.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please, ma'am, don't pick up any new cases. Just don't have contact with these people. I don't want to have to put you in jail,
Your Honor, it was the same thing the last time, the
Just,
last case.
just please be careful,
Yeah.
Really.
People make false allegations all the
And I
time.
get it. There's always two sides to the story. That's why you have a lawyer. That's why we'll give you time. But the evidence will point to whose side is correct.
Yeah, and I don't have them.
So please.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, there's an echo.
Sorry, Judge, next page.
See you, Jim.
He is charged with murder and he's charged with DWI and UCW. Then the issue is that the UCW maybe is the murder weapon and we can't plead and we're ready to set for trial. They put an offer on there.
So he evades, allegedly gets into an accident, someone dies.
No, he allegedly kills his mom, then drives off. Gets seen not maintaining a single line and takes off, evades, and then has a DWI and the gun in the car.
They just charged him with the murder like 5-6 days ago, huh?
No, they charged him with the murder. I think the DWI came in and then the next day the murder came back.
So this one, yes, the murder came in right after the DWI. I'm sorry, I was back here. I mean, a district court chief put an offer on the misdemeanors.
We're not taking.
See?
We're not taking it. He's ready. If you want us to set it for trial.
I mean,
He's set
that case, that could take 2 years.
He's set for pretrial conference in June. It's like his fourth. So.
Right.
And then,
What have they offered? Have they offered him 4 years?
yeah, and the, from what I understand, like the UCW is the alleged murder.
So let's do this. Do you mind bringing him out, please? Melendez. So what day is the pretrial conference set for?
June. Check it right out.
So far away.
June 16th.
Are you ready to go if we set it? Do you have?
I really need to get with Toinette because I think that there's facts in the case that could affect the murder case.
I'm not gonna hold it over.
No, I'm not asking you to, Judge. I get it. I totally get
Already
it.
375.
I think there's an easy option here that I just need to speak to Annette, like really get to sit down to Annette and talk about.
Discovery complete.
Like,
Let's set it. And I'll just advise them, hey, right, the RDWI and the UCW is the same day as the evading. So it's,
and then the murder came in, right?
right. Well, it's the same, alleged same day, right?
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Melendez. Good morning. Your cases are old and it's time to make a decision on what to do. They've offered you plea bargains in these cases here, but it's your decision whether you guys want to take it or not. If not, the cases are old that we need to go ahead and set them for trial. So I'm going to let you talk with Lori to see what you guys want to do. If not, we'll set your case for trial today in, I guess, 30 days, 45 days, set it.
I would ask for a 45
He
days.
wants to talk.
Okay.
We talked about it.
I'd ask for a 45 days.
Done. Okay. All right, man. Yeah, just you pick it, Lori.
All right, you said you want 45, okay.
Okay. Let's jam. You don't want help?
I would like to receive help.
We can help you find a place to stay. We can get you food, cell phones, all kinds of stuff. All you have to do is ask and we can provide it to you. The problem is that if you're homeless and you continue to rack up these convictions, you're just making it worse for yourself. Every time you plead guilty, you end up with a conviction. And when you rack up certain types of convictions, it only hurts you so much worse, you know? They've offered you time served. If you want to do this today, we can do it today. We also have other services available as well if you want that as well. You're charged with 2 counts of criminal trespass. The agreement that they have worked out, or that you guys have worked out, is they're going to dismiss one. You will end up pleading on the second one. If you do this, you're going to end up with a conviction on your record. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. You understand? Is this what you want to do? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this, there's no turning back. Who do you have in your life? Do you have anyone?
All right, now,
Mom, dad,
I
anyone?
have my mom, but I haven't contacted her.
Why not?
I haven't had the
Where does she live?
town.
So you would prefer to live on the street than contact mom?
No, I really get in contact with her, but it's just been,
She's what?
it's been a long time. I would want to get in contact with her though.
Where are you living now? On the street? So why not call mom? Isn't it better to live at home with mom than to live on the street? But Cassie, 30 days from today, if you have a change of heart, if you would rather do something else like a probation, come back and we can talk. Because I have jurisdiction within 30 days of after you do this. You have a change of heart. If you want probation, if you want help, services, we can do that for you. You know, it just scares me that you're doing this. You're going to end up right back on the street, end up back in 2 weeks with another charge, you know? How do you plead to this offense, sir? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to have you talk to Shatori. We have resources that we can give you. Whatever you need, all you got to do is ask and we'll try to help you with whatever you need. All right? Like I said, if you have a change of heart, you want to do something within 30 days, let me know. We can do something, try to do something different. All right? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? Mr. Cassidy.
That's you. How do you plead guilty or not guilty?
How do I teach?
Guilty or not guilty?
Are you guilty of criminal trespass? All right. I'm going to find you guilty. I'll send it to the 90 days. I'll give you credit for the 36. I'll have you talk to Shatori now so we can try to help you out. All right? All right. Good luck, Mr. Cassidy. Your other case will be dismissed.